Now we come to the second feature of the democracy, that is free and fair electoral competition. In this we will study about the two countries, the China and the Mexico. In both the countries, elections are held regularly. In China, after every 5 years by the National People's Congress, and this party appoint the president of the country, and around 3000 members are elected from all over the China, and some of them are elected by the army as well. But before contesting the elections, a candidate needs the approval of the Chinese Communist Party, and only the members who are the members of the Chinese, only the candidates who are the members of the Chinese Communist Party or the other 8 smaller parties allied to it are allowed or were allowed to contest the election held in 2002 and 2003. And the government is always formed by the Communist Party. The other story is of the Mexico, where since its independence in 1930, elections are held after every 6 years to elect its president. The country has never been under a military or dictator's rule like in Pakistan, but until 2000, every election was won by a PRI, Institutional Revolutionary Party. Opposition party did contest elections, means there are parties which are contesting elections, but every time only PRI is elected as the government. The reason behind that is that the PRI was known to use many dirty tricks to win the elections, and we will be studying about these tricks. There are so many. Number one, all the government employees had to attend the party meetings. Secondly, the teachers of the government schools were used to force parents to vote for the party, PRI. Number 3, media ignored the activities of the opposition political parties, and they were used to only criticize them. Criticize means opposite party. You criticize only opposite parties. And at the last moment, polling booths were shifted from one place to another, so it became difficult for the people to cast their votes, and sometimes they used to spend a large sum of money in campaigning for its candidates. Now, can we consider about 2 elections? Examples of people electing their rulers? Never, because in both the situations there were no free and fair elections. In China, elections did not or do not provide people any choice. They have to choose the ruling party and the candidates approved by the ruling party, Congress Party. And in Mexico, there are elections, but the PRI, the party which is in rule, always play dirty. So the second feature of the democracy is that in a democracy there should be free and fair elections, and if the elections are free and fair, in that situation the party which is currently in the power has a fair chance of losing.